friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's two new models of 31.5-inch 4K Nano IPS Black displays. So friends, the 31.5-inch 4K LCD displays 32UQ850W and 32UQ750W. So friend, 32UQ850W is designer's model that employs Nano IPS Black, which has great blacks, and friend, it is a large screen model of the 32UQ850W and that was released in September of this year and boasts DisplayPort 98% color fidelity, and friend, its means 32UQ850W's main specification are there are around 1.07 billion display colors, contrast ratio of 2000 gem1, brightness of 400 Kelvin per meter square, response time of 5 milliseconds, refresh rate of 60 Hz, horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, HDMI into 2, DisplayPort into 1, USB Type-C into 1, USB 2.0 upstream into 1, USB 3.0 downstream into 2, headphone output into 1 at the interfaces, and the speaker output is 5V into 2, and the stand has a clean range of -5 to 20 degree, pivot range of 90 degree, and a height range of 110 mm. And when the 32UQ750W is a VA model with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, and the display synchronization technology works with AMD FreeSync Premium, which has USB Type-C interface that can charge a laptop as well as transport video, audio, and data. And its key specifications are there are around 1.07 billion display color, contrast ratio 2500 gem1, brightness of 400 Kelvin per meter square, response speed of 4 milliseconds, horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, and there are two HDMI ports, one DisplayPort, one Type-C port, one USB 3.0 downstream port, and one headphone jack. And friend, the speaker output is 5V into 2, and the stand has a tilt range of -5 to 20 degree, pivot range of 90 degree, and height range of 110 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.